Imagine standing at ground zero at the very heart of a nuclear explosion. In less than a millisecond quicker than you can even comprehend, everything changes. When a nuclear bomb detonates, it unleashes energy that's almost unimaginable. In less than a thousandth of a second, a fireball erupts, reaching temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, millions of degrees Celsius. The heat is so intense it vaporizes everything nearby in an instant. Thermal radiation bursts outward at the speed of light, igniting materials and causing catastrophic burns. But here's the wild part: your brain hasn't even processed what's happening yet. Our fastest nerve signals take about 300 to 500 milliseconds to register pain. By the time you'd even begin to feel anything, the devastation has already happened. For reference, a blink takes about 100 to 400 milliseconds. The blast outpaces even your body's fastest reactions. Almost immediately after the blinding flash, a crushing blast wave of compressed air races outwards faster than sound, with pressures that can flatten buildings and shatter bones. This wall of force can destroy organs before a single conscious thought can even form. There's more. The explosion generates an electromagnetic pulse, an EMP that fries electronics in a fraction of a second, plunging everything into chaos. All of this, the blinding light, searing heat, crushing pressure, and electrical disruption, hits in under a millisecond. Human senses simply can't keep up. If you're close enough to ground zero, there's no time for fear, no moment to react. The environment is fundamentally, irreversibly transformed before a single signal reaches your brain. Now imagine you're further away, somehow spared the initial flash. The only thing you'd experience is the aftermath. The pain from burns, the roar of debris, the chaos in the air, all of that comes later, delayed by the lag in your nervous system. There's a disconnect between what's actually happening and what you're able to perceive. This is the terrifying reality of a nuclear explosion near ground zero. The physics are so fast, so overwhelming, that human biology stands no chance. Everything changes in less than a millisecond, and by the time you realize it, the world you knew is already gone.